Building a strong parent-child bond is crucial for effective parenting. Here are some strategies to help you nurture that bond and establish a positive and healthy relationship with your child. Communication. Open and honest communication is the foundation of a strong parent-child bond. Listen attentively to your child, encourage them to express their thoughts and feelings, and validate their emotions. Engage in meaningful conversations and create a safe space where they feel comfortable sharing their concerns and joys. Quality time. Spending quality time together creates opportunities for bonding. Set aside dedicated time for activities that you both enjoy. It can be as simple as playing a board game, going for a walk, or cooking a meal together. The key is to be present and actively engaged during this time, giving your child your undivided attention. Consistency and routine. Children thrive on predictability and routine. Establish consistent rules, boundaries, and expectations, and follow through with consequences. This provides a sense of security and helps children understand what is expected of them. Consistency also fosters trust and strengthens the parent-child relationship. Show affection. Physical affection, such as hugs, kisses, and cuddles, plays a significant role in building a strong bond. Express your love and affection verbally as well, telling your child how much you care for them. Regularly affirm and appreciate their efforts and achievements, boosting their self-esteem and reinforcing the parent-child bond. Empathy and understanding. Show empathy towards your child's experiences and emotions. Try to see things from their perspective and validate their feelings, even if you don't always agree. Respect and trust. Treat your child with respect and dignity. Be a role model. Children learn by observing their parents' behavior. Be mindful of your actions and attitudes, as they directly influence your child's development. Model positive values, empathy, patience, and good communication skills. Flexibility and adaptability. Parenting is an ongoing learning process, and every child is unique. Be flexible in your approach and adapt your parenting style to suit your child's individual needs. This demonstrates your willingness to understand and support them, fostering a stronger bond. Remember that building a strong parent-child bond takes time and effort. Be patient, celebrate small victories, and cherish the journey of parenting, as it is a remarkable opportunity for personal growth and a deep connection with your child.